Alright guys, this is our schedule for today, Tuesday, April 6th. Going to go over everything with you for our morning math time. Instead of math notes, you're going to watch this video for me. It is going to go over our last lesson for Module 4, which is Lesson 30. So you're going to go ahead and watch this video. When you are done, I want you guys to make sure you're remembering that we are going to have a math test on Friday. I will be giving you a study guide tomorrow that you'll be working on. You'll also be working on that study guide on Thursday to help prepare you for the test on Friday. So just don't forget that's coming up at the end of this week. For language arts, we have a couple of things. It says complete 2 IXL language arts recommendations with a SMART score of 80. I am going on and I am checking those. Please make sure you are completing those. Any language arts recommendations, if you do not have a solid star on your diagnostic, please make sure that you are going back into the diagnostic to get an updated score. You all know how to do that, but if you have questions, please email me. We're going to go over our lesson on a Zoom at 9:30. You are going to complete pages 62. Sorry guys, thought I was going to sneeze. Through 63 in the Wonders book. Now Jordan, I think you may have already done this, but if you have, awesome. If you have not, no big deal. We'll work on it today. We're also going to complete page 75 in our Wonders book as well. And we're going to do that whole group on Zoom. When we're done with that on Zoom, you guys are going to have to do this activity on your own. So if you click on the link, it's going to bring you to Google Classroom. Your login for Wonders is your first name, last name, 99. So make sure you're using all capitals. First name, last name, 99. The password is capital B, Bobcats1. So you're going to click on this. You're going to log in. It will probably ask you for your information to log in. Once you log in, see, it's going to have me type in my stuff. I'll show you real quick. It will look like this, Dig This Technology. You need to read these 2 pages. Once you read these 2 pages, go back to Google Classroom. You're going to click this form. It's going to ask you some questions about the text that you just read, which is right here if you need to go back to it. Submit it when you're done. This is going to be a graded assignment. Going back to our schedule, you need to make sure you're reading your Bob book. That first book should be done when you come back to school next week. Recess and lunch. Social studies, you have the French and Indian War video, Kahoot, and exit ticket. So you're going to click on Google Classroom. It says first watch this video. So you're going to watch this video first. Then play the self-paced Kahoot to review what you learned yesterday about the French and Indian War. So you're going to play this Kahoot. I think it's like only 10 questions. And then when you're done, you're going to complete this exit ticket and turn it in for a grade. There are 3 questions you need to answer. Who fought the French and Indian War? Identify and describe one cause of the French and Indian War. So what caused the war to start? And describe the effect of the French and Indian War. When you're done with that, make sure you turn it in, please. That is also graded. And for afternoon or special, you have impacting character. Afternoon math, you need to work on your Zern. Lessons 19 through 21 are due by Friday. End of the day, catch-up time, finish any missing work, and or read your Bob book. Sorry, guys. If that is it, my friends, I think that covers everything for today. If you have any questions, please email me. All right, talk to you soon.